Anyone see Roger? Roger! 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 I know he was here somewhere. I bet he just chased one of those girls by that stage. That just sounds like something Roger would do. Ooh, this is a pretty cool stage. Boy, they got books up there. Ooh. Says here, the average unmarried female, basically insecure, due to some long frustration, may react with psychosomatic symptoms difficult to endure, affecting the upper respiratory tract. In other words, just for waiting around for that plain little band of gold, a person can develop a cold. You can spray her wherever you think the streptococci work. You can give her a shot for whatever she's got, but it just won't work. If she's tired of getting a fish eye from the hotel clerk, a person can develop a cold. It says here, the female remaining single, just in the legal sense, shows a neurotic tendency. Note. Chronic organic syndromes, toxic or hypertense, affecting the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the throat. In other words, just wondering whether the wedding is on or off, a person can develop a cough. You can feed her all day with the vitamin A and the bromo fizz, but the medicine never gets anywhere near where the trouble is. If she's getting a